Hi, I'm Q, your digital water assistant at Qatium. Today, I'll show you how to upload your network. You'll always find me here, at the bottom left of the screen if you need any assistance. Uploading your network to Qatium is easy. You have two options to do it: upload your existing hydraulic model as an EPANET input file (INP), or simply bring in your GIS data. To upload your existing model, use the upload buttons in the workspace, but remember, you can only upload one INP file per network. You can also select your file and drag and drop it into the interface. If your file doesn't include projections, I will help you set the right one for your network. Just go over the projection candidates and select the most accurate one. I can help you create your model from your GIS data. Here's what you need to do: select all your layer files, or zip them, make sure to include the mandatory files, and drag and drop them into the interface. And guess what? You can also combine both types of files for the most comprehensive network. Just zip your files in a single folder, and, as always, drag and drop them into the interface. That's it. Once uploaded, your new network will open automatically, and I'll be there to guide you through the process and share recommendations. Last but not least, you can easily update your network anytime. While inside your network, you can replace your current files with updated ones by either dragging and dropping them onto the network or by using the Network Layers panel. To add new layers, follow either of the previous steps. Just make sure to name the new files differently to avoid overriding existing ones. I hope I've helped you understand how to upload your network into Qatium. See you in the next video.